Good morning. These are your littlest dragons, the kindergartners. And if you've been at St. George's a while, you know one of our traditions in kindergarten is to write an I have a dream. And not a whole speech, just an idea of how we can make the world a better place for people. So they're here today to share their I have a dream writing with you. Are you ready?
Yeah!
My name is James, and I have a dream that people will do kind things like share. My name is Vincent, and I have a dream that there is no war and everyone likes each other. I have a dream that we can get all the trash out of our oceans. Hi, my name is Maeve, and I have a dream that people will be kind and respectful. I have a dream to help all the endangered animals named Ava. My name is Riley, and I have a dream that everybody will get to go to school. My name is Parker, and I have a dream that everyone can go to school. My name is Bandit, and I have a dream that people will not fight. My name is Thomas, and I have a dream that the world will be clear. I have a dream that people will live. My name is Kibby. I have a dream that people will say kind of. My name is Slade. I have a dream that we would help people get better.